Morning, guys. So now we are going to learn concept of management from the first lesson, principles of management. Okay, this concept of management are there six types. Okay, the first one, body of knowledge. Second one, management tools. Third one, separate discipline. Fourth one, specialization. Fifth one, code of conduct. And the sixth one, professional association. Okay, there are the six types. Okay, see the first one, body of knowledge. Okay, what's the meaning of the body of knowledge? Body of knowledge means the management knowledge, that is known as body of knowledge. Okay, then management, so nowadays we can the developed. Okay, the management has nowadays we can the developed in the body of knowledge, the body of management in the theory and philosophy also, so we can it's a developed. So that's why the most of the students we are learning and the PhD and the master of philosophy also, because of they know well about the management. That's why they are learning and the management theory. And so this management literature we can the growing in all the countries. So this management literature we can growing in all the countries, because of why we can spreading that all the countries mean that because of we getting that more and more job opportunities is not only that our country and the foreign countries also getting more job opportunities in than outside that country. So that's why they are learning this management. It is known as body of knowledge. Are you clear? This body of knowledge is a body of knowledge mean it is a knowledge of management. So many of the students we can learning and management, because we can it's a developing more and more we can developing the theory and the philosophy also. So that's why they're learning, because of getting it more and more job opportunities. It's not only that India and outside the country and foreign countries also we can getting more job opportunities. Then that's where they are learning body of that's where the learning management. Okay, and second one, management tools. Okay, management tools mean the tools of management have been we can developed. Okay, the tools of management have been developed. It's like in the accounting and the business law and the psychology and the statistics and the econometric, and next one is a data processing also, because it's a developed. Because why means what's the reason? Because it's a management. For example if we can accounting. Okay, the accounting mean the management also we are using in this accounting. This business law means the management we are using in the business law, and the management we are using in psychology, and the management we are using in the statistics, and using in the econometric and the data processing also we are using, because management is a branches. Okay, so it's the accounting and business law, psychology and statistics, everything is a tools of management at the same time, as well as it's a branches of management. Okay, the branches of management mean it is accounting, business law, psychology, statistic, everything it is a branches of management. Are you clear? This one is a branches of management. It is enhance the practical utility of the science of management. It's a practical utility of science of management. So that's why it is telling like that is a management tools. And it's one more, it's a management tools is a actually it's a 2 mark question. It's a management tools. Are you clear? This management tools. Okay, what's the meaning of the management tools mean? The management tools like accounting, business law, psychology and statistics, econometric and data processing, it is known as management tools, because it is very using and a helpful tool. We can prepare the and accounting and psychologists like that and all. Okay, so are you clear? This one, management tools like accounting, business law, psychology and statistics, etc, etc. Okay, and the third one, the separated discipline. Okay, separated discipline mean so management has a separated discipline. We are discussed in the first one, body of knowledge. So management is we can offering, so management offering the many universities and institutions also in the throughout the countries, because of why they are learning because they know the scope of the management. They know the scope of the management, getting the more job opportunities in foreign. So that's why they are learning in the management. So it has a separate discipline. So that's why many universities and institutions offering the management courses and giving the highly learning. So they are highly it's a learning. and is since 1951, and specialized schools of management we can offering the master degree. So master degree of it's a management and the administration and sectors also, it is a separate discipline. Are you clear? There's one separate discipline. Separate disciplines mean the management has a separate discipline, so that's why the many universities and institutions we can offering the management courses since 1951. Okay, so next one, specialization. Specialization mean we can specialized person or the trained person in the particular field, it is known as specialization. So many companies or many company we can giving the job opportunities only highly qualified person or trained person and experienced person only appointing in the to manage the business, because of we know well how to we can run the business, how to we can bring the business in the future, everything you know well. So that's why we can appointing the specialized person in the particular field. For it's a financing area of management, financing area like for example, so lot of departments, so many departments in many departments in a company. For example, accounting department, so accounts department and finance department, HR department, advertisement department, production department, and so like that and all. So each and every department we can should be up should managed by the manager. Okay, so accounts department managed by the accounts manager. Okay, so the production departments are managed by the and production manager, and the sales department managed by the sales manager. What is it, why are telling like that? So sales manager and a production manager mean because he's a specialized person in the sales. Okay, the sales manager specialized in sales, so that's why you are calling the sales manager. And the production management is production management specialized in the production departments. Did you understand? So it is a specialization. So this management is giving in more and more job opportunities. So so that's why they are learning, learning and the highly qualified person only appointing the manager of business, it is a specialization. Next one, code of conduct. Okay, the code of conduct mean it is a consumer oriented concept. Code of conduct mean consumer oriented conduct, it's a reflect the corporate code. Okay, the consumer oriented concept, it's reflect the corporate code, it is known as code of conduct. Okay, what's that meaning? Because it is a code of conduct means simple, it's the protecting the consumerism, it is a protecting the consumerism from the sellers, it is known as code of conduct. Did you understand? Code of conduct mean it's a consumer oriented concept. Code of conduct mean it's a consumer oriented concept because it is a protecting the consumerism from the seller. Because the seller, the many sellers we can cheating the buyers. Okay, many sellers we can then cheating the buyers and misusing the buyers. We can the lowest commodity we can selling the highest rate, so like that are very cheating, you know. So that's why the consumerism and the public opinion and the legislation under we can protecting the consumer, it is known as code of conduct. Next one, professional association. Okay, professional association mean sir business management association. Okay, business management association mean it is a group of organization. Okay, professional associations mean it is one of the group of organization. This organization we can promote and spread the knowledge of business management. Okay, this group of organization we can promote the organization and the spread the knowledge of management and giving the bright the public image of management. Okay, it is known as professional association. Are you clear this one? So professional associations mean it is a one of the organization, it's a group of members. This members we can promoting the management and spread the knowledge of the business and bring the bright the public image in the throughout the countries, in a country or in a world, it is known as professional association. Okay, are you clear this concept of management? Okay, thank you.